Hi guys, good morning. My house is a mess, so I need to arrange the house, have my bath. I want to wear some makeup today, so I'll do my makeup and then hopefully I should be done by 9:30, ready to be out by 10. So will I be showing what I'm doing? Probably. I didn't let her go out, so I'm having breakfast slash lunch, which is rice and stew, and I have this tea thing, something I got from my dad. He drinks coffee while eating his rice. However, I've not taken coffee in about 11 months, right? Yeah, I stopped taking coffee in March. 10 months probably. I've been lying down in my misery. However, I just got a call that my PR package is here. I don't know what it is. I honestly don't know what it is, but I'm going to pick it up. I shall know the brand, but I don't know what is in it. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm just gonna cry. I have really tried to be consistent this year, but you guys, look at the PR I got from Shop Didi. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This is the second PR I'm getting this year. 3 packages in one day. 3 packages in one day. Like, who am I? Anyways, let me go downstairs and go pick up a package. Yeah, I know I look like the trenches, but you guys should not. Like, today is a stay-home day, no work, obviously, and this is a new vlog. Why am I carrying everything on my hand? So I got a PR package from this one by Didi. Crazy! Like, don't talk to me. Like, do not talk to me right now. What? I don't know what this is. Sha. These are my AliExpress package. I wasn't expecting it to come in this fast, but hey, we are here. Hey, hi YouTube, hi everybody. So good morning. Let me quickly show you guys what I got on AliExpress. I told you guys I got some things from AliExpress, but I did not really show you guys what I got. So first things first, I got the candles. I got the candles. 3 is not mine. 3 is for my elder sister, so she'll be coming and to pick it up. So I got them, like, at least I think 16k or 15k. 16. I doubt it's 15. It's actually 16k. I got all 4 of them.
Sorry, is it too tight?
No, I was still using this one. So I shall use the nuts and spray.
Who's the birthday girl? Hi. Everything is expensive these days.
No,
And
it's so tiny. There is this thing, 4 pounds. It's so tiny.
for 33k.
Exactly.
Where did you buy it from? Let me show you guys an apartment tour. So this is the kitchen, and this is the living area. I look a total mess. I'm just coming from work, and apparently Augusta will force me into doing her makeup for her birthday.
Oh yeah, I can see it. I'm coming.
So this is outfit number 1. I don't know if you guys can see me properly. However, this is the outfit. I don't have anywhere to drop this phone, and I look a total mess. But this is outfit number 1. I love the skirts. I'm not sure if I'm feeling the top. Maybe I've not looked at myself properly, probably because I look a total mess. But this is outfit number 1. Hello. This is outfit number 1. Okay.
You know what I was
Please, I don't know what you want.
You know what I want.
Say hi. And it's time for me to get ready. So I'm going to prep my skin with this is supposed to be a very quick makeup. I forgot my, what was that thing called? My moisturizer. It's so noisy. However, this is my full outfit. I know my hair is bulky because I also have another hair in here. However, this is my, I didn't do anything too much because, why is this even here and it's casting a shadow on my face? So what was I saying? This is my completed look, okay? I look bomb, I look good, I look fine, I look hot, I look, yes. I just want to come up here and say that the party is over. I didn't really vlog so much because I wanted to enjoy the fun of partying. It's not really partying, but like just hanging out with girls, and yeah. Anyways, I'm packing up now. I need to go back home because a girl has a home and a girl has a job and a girl needs to go back. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow or on my next class.
So today, this year they're here, next year they're, and even now with the whole
to recreate the Patmograph plastic face thing, and I literally do not have anything in the house to use and do it, so I'm going to go get a peel off mask from a skincare store. Hopefully I find one. Yeah. Just created this look for Instagram. I've learned something. I'll be shooting my content horizontally so that I can also get both for YouTube and for Instagram, so that it will be like a very much win-win. I need to go to my sister's house, so I'll quickly get ready and start heading out. I was supposed to leave early, but something came up and I have no intentions of leaving early, so, and I need to get something for them too. Screaming. I look so good, not gonna lie. I look so freaking good. Baby! Apparently it's 12 midnight and it just dawned on me that I never really like cross-examined my life after last year. Like by the end of the year, it's normal for like literally everybody to like think about how their life was the previous year, make adjustments and decide what they want to do with their life in the new year. And I never really did that this year. Last year really took a big toll on me. I walked like a horse, or I walked like a donkey, just to be able to be to a certain degree of comfortable. And if you don't know, this place is literally my first apartment in Lagos, and I'm really like, never in my life did I ever see myself affording such. In case you don't know, I moved from the east to Lagos, and for me to be able to like afford a roof over my head here in Lagos, walk without like thinking about this, that, the only thing I think about is just make money, literally just make money. Coming to the new year, and to be honest, I literally don't know what I'm doing. I like, a lot of craziness has been going on this year, and I'm looking at myself, I'm like, what the actual hell is going on? Like, I haven't even sat down and drew a chart of this is what I want to accomplish this year, this is what I want my business to look like, this is what I want my personal life to look like. Newsflash, there's no light. Secondly, I went to see my sister. She gave me a plate of food. I've had a good breakfast. Yes. Is it a good breakfast? Lunch, sha. And we have an order. So this is outfit number 1. So this is it. I'm actually getting to a size 10 because I don't know what is going on. So this is between a size 8 and a size 10, and I will definitely be wearing this with a belt. To be honest, it's supposed to be a cow neck. I think because my hair is not in order, like I look a total mess, that's the reason it doesn't look all put together. But this is giving and it's really rumpled, so that's the reason I know that I'm not feeling it yet. I think this is definitely my favorite.
Hi y'all, this is House Guest and I am your host, Kenzie Elizabeth. Think a Gen Z wannabe Martha Stewart meets Dolly Parton trying to live in a Nancy Meyers movie in her 20s. We talk all about life, relationships, navigating your 20s, closing out the bars, or waking up at 5 a.m. depending on our vibe that week.
The way I am posting on YouTube, you definitely know that I really want to hit 1K and I really want to hit like 4,000 viewers, which I'm not even attaining that anytime soon. But if I should just have one viral content, one content that will just hit 10K views.
I'm okay, the way you bouncing. I'm okay, the way you body. I'm okay, I'm okay, I'm okay. I'm okay, the way you bouncing. I'm okay, the way you body bouncing. Yeah.
Getting ready for work. I'm even running late, to be honest. I'm running late, but I don't care at this point. I was supposed to create content today, but shit happened. I didn't create it. I just got my hair delivered from Jenny's Hair. If you don't know, now you know. She's on Instagram. Finished from work and I'm going back home. So I got something from an Instagram vendor yesterday and we kind of heated, like we had a heated conversation because she was not understanding me, and I, like, the way she was putting things, I didn't understand what she meant. Because you know how me as a content creator will always say, please read the caption, please read the caption. And from my own end, I went on her page to get some things. I did not read the caption. In my brain, I just assumed that, okay. Anyways, let me read what she sent to me. Like, I had to send it back for an exchange because there was some sort of misunderstanding, but eventually we clarified each other. Because now I understand when people assume that, like, I'm having an argument with them. Because my voice will be going up even though I'm not actually having an argument with them. I'm just like talking, and to them people will be like, oh, you're yelling, you're shouting. And that was how I felt, because I was actually talking to her in a very low tone, trying to explain to her that, oh, you didn't get my order right. And then she was talking in a very high pitched, not like high pitched voice, but like in a high tone. I was like, who the hell do you think you're yelling at? And then she now just called me Udoka. I'm like, why are we calling each other our first names? Was there any form of proper introduction? Like, so anyways, at the end of the day, we understood each other from various ends, and then she just sent me back like the exchanged one, and she said, sorry about the misunderstanding, I have no right to yell at you, which she was apologizing. This is an apology. And then she added the clause of us also standing on business, and then she said, even though I did not. Which is funny. At least this is a sweet gesture, because I mean, because you're a vendor does not mean you should speak to like your customers in the most ridiculous way, and because you're a customer does not mean you should belittle your vendor. And I love the fact that she took out her time, even though she felt like she was not yelling at me, she still took out her time to write this. Yeah, anyways, in case you guys want to patronize her because she's a sweet girl, Toby's Closet, I saw her off Instagram. Color, did she add? I'm confused. I didn't buy white. I didn't buy white too. I didn't buy white. I'll ask her if it was a conversation. I didn't buy white. I'll ask her. Oh, that's sweet. This is just perfection on its own. And I got a black. I have my fan on here, so if you're hearing the sound, is my fan. I'm not going to prime my face because this makeup is not going to last on my skin. Once I'm done shooting, I'm taking it off because it's hot. This look clean girl enough? Because I think it does. I think it does.
There is nothing as gorgeous as a beautiful black wig. This one, I got it from Jenny's Hair, and it came with a beautiful pink comb. Well, I'm not really a pink girl, but anyways, I cut off the lace, and you can see that this is giving Kim K. What? The wig is luxury on its own. The pattern, give it up for this hair. I really love it.
I think I might possibly end the vlog here because I have to start a new vlog today, and it's supposed to have like a different theme. So do well to subscribe, like my content if you enjoyed the vlog, leave a sweet comment. I'll always read, and I enjoy reading your comments. And yeah, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.